Namaste. We are all facing fear of Hurricane Milta. So along our preparations, so we need the prayer which can protect ourselves and our belongings. Bhartrhari, the famous poet of the Sanskrit, he describes, even though we were in a forest or along with the fire and many obstacles, if our past deed is there, we can able to protect from all of them like that. So when I describe these situations to my teacher, my Guruji has recommended some prayers, which is specially for Hanuman prayer, which helps to protect from all the obstacles. Hanuman is the one who can destroy the clouds and everything. We know this one story in the Sundarakanda. So in this episode I am talking about the prayer which helps to protect during the Hurricane Milta. First, the Ramataraka Japa, and in the Sundarakanda, we know that in the 2 times Hanuman has prayed himself. So when he is starting to journey of the Lanka, he prayed, and also after going Lanka, he didn't find the Sita Mata. In that dilemma, one conclusion, he also prayed all the gods again. So these 2 prayers also helps us. So along with Ramataraka Japa, Hanuman prayer, yes, the Navaratri is also going on. The goddesses Durga prayer, I am concluding in this audio, the video. So this will help the fear to outcome of the fear of the Milton. That's why my teacher suggested I'll recite each prayer in 3 times. So whoever in at home, just light the lamp in front of the God and just listen this, and you can also join along with prayer. First, Ramataraka Japa. Om Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Om Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Om Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Deve च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै. Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo. Namostu Chandrarkamarudganebhya. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै. Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo. Namostu Chandrarkamarudganebhya. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Deve च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै. Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo. Namostu Chandrarkamarudganebhya. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama. Hanumanyatnamasthaya dukkhakshayakaro bhava. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama. Hanumanyatnamasthaya dukkhakshayakaro bhava. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama. Hanumanyatnamasthaya dukkhakshayakaro bhava. Om Durge smrta harasi bhitimasesha janto swasthai smrta matimativa shubhan dadasi. Daridra dukkha bhayaharini katvadanya sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta. Durge smrta harasi bhitimasesha janto swasthai smrta matimativa shubhan dadasi. Daridra dukkha bhayaharini katvadanya sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta. Durge smrta harasi bhitimasesha janto swasthai smrta matimativa shubhan dadasi. Daridra dukkha bhayaharini katvadanya sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta. Sarva badha prashamanam trailokyasya akhileshwari. Evameva tvaya karyamasmadvairi vinashanam. Sarva badha prashamanam trailokyasya akhileshwari. Evameva tvaya karyamasmadvairi vinashanam. Sarva badha prashamanam trailokyasya akhileshwari. Evameva tvaya karyamasmadvairi vinashanam. Om Namaste. Along with this, you can also chant Durga Kavacha, Devi Kavacha, Hanuman Chalisa, Sundarakanda, all other prayers as well. Namaste.